this is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
Good morning, everyone. We're so happy. We're back in the rig today. I know, my hair's... He woke up as excited as I am. We got my rig back yesterday. I'll tell y'all more about that in another video. Quit, buddy. Quit. He likes to chew on these string things on my jacket. And I'm not going to fuss at him today because it's a great day. We get to travel tomorrow. I've got to get up and get moved into my rig. Sorry about the glare on my glasses, but it's early morning and I just want to share with you, got the rig back. She seems to be running great. We ran her for about, I think it was probably about 50, 60 miles to just check it out, and went to Lowe's and did some things and ran her on the highway, and Phoenix seems to be running great. I'll give you more of an update on that and what all was done and what I learned and everything. But today is pack her up day, and so that we can travel tomorrow, and I am in a hurry to get up and get going and get that done. So I just wanted to let you know that I have Phoenix and she is under tow. And I'm so happy, and I got to sleep in my own bed, and not that I don't mind. I mean, I'm grateful for the casita, don't get me wrong, but that sofa sleeper started feeling like a marble slab after a while. And plus I just got to be in my home, and I've missed Phoenix, and so it's all good. And and I had bought Finn a set of stairs. They're collapsible. And so for easy travel and everything, which is great. And I'm glad, because he can't get up on the bed without them, and he kept jumping down and then trying to get back up on the bed before I could get him. And then I was like, oh yeah, I bought those stairs. And so I ran to the shed and got those and fixed those up last night, and he's learning to use those, and it's all good. And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. I've got a few clips for you, but mostly I'm on the run today. All right, everybody. Bye. See you down the road, literally. I'm so excited. Finn, are you excited? Finn, are you excited? Sammy, are you excited? Yeah, me too. It's a good day, you guys. We're headed to go get my rig. Woohoo! Oh. Is that Mama Jana? Sammy says, there's my mama. What the hey?
Two for $4.
Nice.
Yeah. I had to make him do it.
They didn't want to?
Well, there wasn't a sign on it. I got $4.60 a piece. I was like, I said, did it take off the stuff to the sugar? He said $1 off. I said, oh no. And they had to call a manager. And the manager had to just take it all away. Put in grocery $4. Oh, man. You gotta
watch those coupons.
Gotta watch those digital coupons. Jojo baby! Hi baby.
Oh,
hi baby.
One missed the chair.
Oh, hi baby. Hi baby.
There she is. I'm so excited to go in and pay and get to drive her and be home again. Hi, baby girl. headed to get propane. She is running great. I got to see where they want me to park here. I'm not sure. You like your new stairs? Huh? You like your new stairs? They're pretty cool, huh? They help you get up the bed. Finn, what do you think about being back in the rig? Are you camera shy in the rig? Finsters! Oh, you little toot. Finn, it's okay. He says, it's been a long day, Mama. I'm tired. Yeah, it's okay, buddy.